Coral Lagoon here in Marathon, and we're going to take a look at the marina. Welcome back. My name is Amy Permont Thomas Carden. We're local real estate agents here in the Florida Keys. As always, if you're looking to buy or sell, give us a call. Today we're over at Coral Lagoon, and we're going to take you guys on a quick little tour. Here we go. We're going down the entranceway into the Boathouse Marina. And when you come in, on the right hand side right here is going to be where the pool is located. So we're just going to kind of go take a look at it. So the pool is rather large. They've got, umbrellas and chairs there set up for you so you can just relax and hang out. It's usually pretty empty. I never really see anybody at the pool, which is nice. After you'll come around towards the right there, you'll see all that open parking. That's where you would park. There's no assigned spots here. It's just open parking. This is the small barn, so you can see inside. So they have A, B, and C racks in there. The HOA fees over at the barns are currently at $357 a month. Now over here is the tiki hut and the fish cleaning station. So they've got water, garbage, kind of everything you need. And the tiki really helps because it gets hot. Over here is the fuel and ice, and that little building is the manager's office. Next, we're going to go and take a look at the boat ramp, which is just over here around the corner. So that is the boat ramp that is accessible as an owner. And then finally here are the wet slips. So some of these are on lease bottom, but most of these wet slips are deeded bay bottom. Again, if it's leased, you have that extra 6% transfer fee. The HOA fees for the wet slips is currently at $326 a month. It includes the common area, water, and parking. Electric is not included, it's metered. Some of the slips on this side of the marina have to be parked in bow in because of the water. It only has a 3-foot draft in some of these areas, so you'll see some of these have to be parked bow in. Now I've got some slips running down across the townhomes. The townhomes are Coral Lagoon. The marina is the Boathouse. Short-term rentals are allowed, and you're allowed to stay on your boat up to 5 consecutive nights and a max of 10 nights per month. Overall, the Boathouse Marina has quick and easy access to the ocean and the Gulf. You got excellent boating at this marina, and it's really just a great place to keep your boat. Alright, that's our tour of Coral Lagoon. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Amy and Tom with Coldwell Banker. We'll see you next time. Bye!